Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I will show you my second month income from Honeygain. As you can see that my current balance is 8,746, which is equivalent to $8 actually. And to pay out, I have to earn at least $20, that is 20,000 points. I have earned 43% almost. If you see today's date, today is September 15 and it is almost 2 months I am using Honeygain. This is my last video guys. In this video I have showed you my first month income from Honeygain and it was, you can see that 7,247 points. So in first month I have earned $7,200. In the second month, I have earned $8,746. That means in last month, I have earned 8,746 minus 7,247 point. That is 1,499 point. It means guys, I have earned almost 1,500 points in the last 1 month from Honeygain, and it's totally free. I didn't do any work to earn this much of point. If you want to see the points I have earned in the last 1 month, these are the points. I have recorded my last video in 15th August. So if you see my earning from the 15th August, and it was, this is 15th August, and after that I have earned some points every day, such as in 16th August I have earned 20 points, 0.16 point and 30 point. Similarly, you can see all the points I have earned from here. So guys, this is my last 1 month earning from Honeygain, and this is total earning in last 2 months from Honeygain. And as you can see that I have 8 referral in my Honeygain dashboard. If you sign up in Honeygain using my referral link given in the description, which is www.passivern.com/Honeygain, you will get instantly $5 from Honeygain. That's why it's strongly recommended guys to sign up using this referral link. Just go to the description and click on this link www.passivern.com/Honeygain. You will get instantly $5 from Honeygain. These 8 people who are using my referral link, they all have gotten $5 instantly. So this is a quick video guys. As I have promised that I will make one video every month until I will get my first payment from Honeygain. And as you can see that I have reached almost 44% of my first earning. I have to earn more 11,000 point from Honeygain to withdraw this money. This is a quick video, guys. If you think this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all notifications about Make Money Online and your online career. Visit our website www.passivern.com to get tips and tricks about Make Money Online and your online career. Thank you.